Hello guys, today we are going to see how to use this Pexlar Alkaline Bottle. Let's see what's in the box. We are getting one pH liquid tester, and then we are getting this beautiful black beauty. As you can see, this bottle is very beautiful. It's jet black in color with a subtle white and blue logo. Now let's see how the bottle is. So this is the top of the bottle. As you can see, there is a safety lid that it doesn't get open. Opens this way and it gets locked. Now let's see what is inside in this bottle. So we are getting one user manual. Here you can see how the product looks like. Then there is another lid in the bottom where the main heart of the product relies. This is an alkaline cartridge. It's filled with these ceramic balls, as you can see in the video. So now it's time to test this bottle. Let's see how this bottle works. So we'll use an RO water or a purified water, and let's make this non-alkaline water or neutral water alkaline. So we'll be filling this bottle. So now the bottle is full to. So we can make this water alkaline in this bottle in few ways. One of the ways is to keep this bottle idle, let it sit for 15 minutes and the water will get alkaline. Or for instant results, let's shake it up. If we shake it up, the water will collide with the ceramic balls and make this water alkaline. So now let's check how the water is alkaline. Guys, it seems now the water has become alkaline in this bottle. Now let's check how much alkalinity this water has. So now we'll be pouring the RO water that we had used in this bottle and the bottle from this and the water from this bottle. Now let's see how much alkaline it is. First we'll start with this, then with this. See, as you can see, this is becoming a little bit purple in tone. It is above 8 to 9 pH, and this is little bit of yellowish green. This is between 6 and 7 pH. So as you can see, the RO water by basic is an acidic water, and this bottle helps you making this RO water into alkaline water. And we have the same bottle available in two colors. One is pure jet black and one is the bluish tone, the blue color.